Okay, we're in Windows 11 and we're trying to use the clipboard history. First thing you need to check is whether it's actually turned on. So use this shortcut key, Windows V, and bring up this dialog box. And if you need to turn it on, you'll get this option, Turn On. So now, if I select some text in this website and copy it, so Control C, and then I do the same over here, select this table in Excel, Control C, and say I wanted to paste both of those things into a Word document. So here's my Word document on ferrets. What I would do is come down to where I want to paste it, and then Windows V again on my keyboard, and I've got both of those items available to me. I can paste the table, and I can paste the paragraph from that website. So Windows V again, and select that item. Now, once you're finished with the items, you can either clear them all or clear them individually. So there we have the Clear All button. But if I go to these three little dots, I can clear that item there and this one here. Now, sometimes you want to keep an item permanently on the clipboard. So here I've got like a signature with a logo. I'm going to copy that, and then Windows V on my keyboard. Now what I can do is pin it, and that means it will be permanently available on the clipboard. Now the maximum number of items you can have on the clipboard is 25, so older items on the clipboard will eventually get removed. That is, unless you pin them to the clipboard. Now pinning also means that if you close Windows and then restart it, say the next day, the item will still be available on the clipboard. So that's great for things like this, which we may need on a daily basis. Now, if you ever want to turn off the clipboard, all you need to do is hit your Start button, and then at the top here, type Clipboard. And you'll see an option here for clipboard settings. And here you can turn the clipboard on and off. You can also sync the clipboard across your devices that are logged onto your Windows account. Here you have the option to clear the clipboard data, and that's about all the settings you're ever going to need.